What up, y'all? Welcome back, man. So we're at Strip Day, baby, and here we are. We already checked in. We already did the drivers meeting. But I gotta say, I'm kind of pissed. Well, not pissed, but just like upset because there's so many people here that are gonna run 2 B groups. And with that being said, so my B group is not gonna take until 2 p.m., right? And I'm like, damn. And then the second group, my time I go out is at 5, which is already gonna be dark. You know, I like to leave here like at 5 something because I got work the next day. But we're gonna make it happen. That's why I threw on the lights. That's why I put the lights on the Z, so I don't have to worry about it, you know? So, but something did happen when we pulled up to the track. They have like a little step lip at the track, and it caused me to rip my front splitter off. And that's why it's sitting on the ground for the pits. So we're gonna run no bumper today, baby. But here we are. Let's enjoy it. Let's do some riding alongs with the A group and have a good time. The car. Look clean. Starting off with a vet today. Woo! It's good to do a ride along, especially for me. I want to see how he tackles this course. I haven't done this new course yet. So. You were here last event, right? Yeah, it's fun. So. And it's wider now, so. Yeah. Can't wait to see this thing rip. I love the one that has in there. I also love what he did to his fuel setup, like how he has a nice and like cage bar.
Original. What's up?
What's up, man?
Nice shirt.
Hey, I think it belongs to you, right?
Yeah.
I just want to say that I respect everything that you're doing, man.
Appreciate it,
culture
bro.
and stuff like that, man. I've been
appreciate
following you for like ever, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Like what you were doing with the media and stuff beforehand was amazing. And then like I see your journey now. Love every minute of it.
Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
It's definitely a journey, like you said. You know?
Yeah, exactly. So
like progression after year. It's like it's all worth it, you know. But enjoying that process is what it's about.
Yeah, it's about the journey, right?
Absolutely.
You guys are gonna have its up and down, but hey, you just roll.
Real. There's been some really beautiful seasons and some very tough seasons.
Exactly.
But yeah, days like this, man. A nice Sunday, Club Loose.
Man, the weather is nice. Like, come
no
on.
clouds, burning some tires. It's beautiful.
Oh, dog, something caught my eye, dog. You know, I like old trucks. Look at this Dodge right here. Oh my lord, that shit looks clean. All the drifting and stuff going on, but I had to come over here to this truck. God, I do miss my dually, dog. That thing is badass. Clean. bad thing is I forgot my mount to mount my GoPro on, so we're just gonna wing it, you know. I might have this guy right here. What's your name?
Tristan.
Tristan. I might have Tristan hold the camera while we drive a little bit, if he doesn't mind.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
there we go. So I'm gonna help y'all out. We're gonna have fun and let's rip. Let's have a good day. Shaky? Oh, it's all good. Boy, you know what? My engine temps are doing so much better today. Look at that. Oh, so much good. So good. So good. You have fun?
Hell yeah, dude. You gave me a great ride.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Man.
Thank you.
We're gonna have somebody else come through. We want to give his homeboy a ride. So let's give him a party. Let's give him a show, you know? Alright, we got Trey here, another ride along. What's up, Trey?
Yeah, what's up?
And we're gonna give him a ride, you know? You mind holding the camera when get out there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, you know me and problems at the track, and it happened again. So in the last video, I don't know if you saw the gentleman that was in the car with me, he was filming, and then this happened. Let me show you. Look at that. So the bottom of the PBM kit bracket where the tie rod connects to, it snapped on me. I don't know if you can see right here. It's supposed to be connected to the other side right here, but it took a shit and snapped. So yeah, F my life. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to, shoot, I don't even know, to be honest with you. I was gonna try to put this tie rod back on the factory location and just limp it home. Or maybe I can like push this back. It looks like the bolt got shook loose. And just put it back in its spot and like tighten it down as best as I can and just limp it home that way. I don't know. We'll see what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to mess with it, but I'll take it off and I'll show you all in a sec. Well guys, as you know, cutting the day short today. I was ripping today though. 12 laps I had, all of them were good. All full throttle, committed. I think I only spun once out of all those times. So this track layout, I love it. It's dope. The only thing that happened to it, you saw what happened with broke. That cut my day short. I was able to adjust the tow enough so I can, you know, get myself home because I do drive this car here. But now I know I didn't have extras of those, extra tie rods, pretty much just an extra PBM kit, to be honest with you. So yeah, let's get this thing home and park it. Hopefully the ride is good. The sun's already going down. Look at that. I hope y'all can see that. I don't know if you can see it, but the sun's already going down. And luckily I put my lights on, so we're good. Let's get home. Let's get home, guys. Well, guys, we made it home, nice and safe. With a little fixed alignment that I had to do for the front, for the tie rods and stuff like that. It worked out. The car felt good. It was enough for me to get home, right? Now, I'm just here. What I like to do when I get home is just spray it down a little bit, just because there's a lot of tire debris and stuff on the car. And it just makes it easier for cleanup later. So, yeah, just spray this down. And after we're done, chat with y'all a little bit about today. And we'll just talk about what happened today and what's going to happen moving forward, meaning like next event. So, yeah, you know, it feels good when you come home and your car is all in one piece. The only thing is, you know, that one little broken part, but other than that, we all good. All right, so cool. All right, let's chat, y'all. So today's event was actually pretty damn good. I'm gonna be honest with you. For the, I don't know how many laps I went out there. Let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably around 12 laps or so that I ran at the event. All of them were, I was eating it. I was getting it. I'm not gonna be honest with you. I felt really good in the car. The car was planted, felt good. There's some areas I still need. I feel like I need more power. I'll address that later when I do like an actual tune on the car. But overall, the car felt great, right? We did have that one incident, as y'all saw. I broke that little bottom bracket thing that's on the PBM kit that goes in the bottom of the knuckle that ties to your tie rod. And I broke that, snapped that. So pretty much what was happening is when I turned the wheel one way, it wouldn't push it because it's not connected to the bottom bracket of the knuckle, right? It was just like pushing out and the wheel wouldn't move anywhere. So to able to get home, what I had to do was remove that little bracket and bolt it to the factory arm position and adjust the toe where I, you know, was driving straight to drive home. Now, could I have taken the bracket on the other side and driven like on like that? Probably, I probably could, but you know, since I don't have a trailer or anything like that, I don't want to risk it, right? Like breaking anything else or going in for it. So I'll just buy that new bracket. Shouldn't cost that much, and then replace that, and we should be good for next event, which is gonna be Sleigh Ride, right, in December, which is gonna be the last event of the year. But overall, I like the track layout was amazing. So, but everything was good. I was able to give a ride along to those people, which was cool. So shout out to y'all. But until next time, y'all, peace out.